Well, class, good morning. Today I am talking and teaching you about electric flux and Gauss theorem regarding that. Suppose you have a charge and around that charge there is field and there are number of lines, electric lines of forces. If this is positive, away from that; if this is negative, towards that charge. And can you count these? Can you count these number of lines? And this will I am going to tell you the flux, number of magnetic lines of forces. Suppose this is charge, and here is some area. Here is some area, and electric lines of forces all around that. And to this area, how much lines crossing this area? सपोज इसके सराउंडिंग 1000 लाइन्स हैं और इसमें से इस एरिया में से 5 लाइन पास कर रही हैं. इट मीन्स इस एरिया से कंसर्न कितनी लाइन्स है? 5. तो दिस इज व्हाट इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स, बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्सेज. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स कितना हो गया? जो एरिया हमने ये चूज किया है, आप एरिया बढ़ा लो, लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्सेज बढ़ जाएंगे. एरिया कम कर लो, लाइन्स ऑफ फ्लक्स कम हो जाएगा. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स क्या है? बेसिकली दी नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक लाइन. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स. तो इलेक्ट्रिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस कंसर्न विद particular area, that is called electric flux. Now what electric flux is? Suppose this is charge plus Q charge, and I am these are electric lines of forces away from this charge, and this is direction of electric field. Away from positive charge. And suppose I am taking like this. This is area, and its area vector this. This is small area ds, small area ds, making an angle theta. There is angle between electric field direction and the this area vector direction. This angle is theta. How much number of lines passing through this? अगर आपका एरिया सीधा हो जाएगा तो थीटा क्या हो जाएगा? 0. This is electric field. You have number of cases. What I am talking, this is E, and this is your area ds. Area same direction. Theta is equal to 0 degree. If this is your area vector ds, and this is the direction of electric field, एंगल 90 डिग्री. आपका एरिया ऐसे और फील्ड यूं, एक भी लाइन पास नहीं करेगी. लेट मी टेल यू, एरिया वेक्टर इधर ही है, फील्ड पास कर जाएगा. अगर ये यूं हो और ऐसे जाए फील्ड, तो इसमें से तो पास नहीं किया, लाइक दिस. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? आई एम डिनोटिंग इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स विद 5. दिस इज 5. हियर 5 इज 0. हियर 5 इज मैक्सिमम. Flux is maximum. Maximum number of lines cross this area in this case. But in this case, no line crosses this area. Area इस तरफ है और field ये है, तो कैसे पास करें? Like this. तो हम flux यहाँ पे आपने small area लिया है, तो I am talking about small flux d5. Small flux is dot product of electric field E and area vector ds. The dot product of these two. This is what for whole surface. For whole surface. Let I am talking about this is your whole surface. This is your whole surface, like this. This is your whole surface. S is surface, total surface. I am taking a small part of this surface. If you want to calculate this through this whole area, what you will do, you will integrate this. So simple. You have, after integration, phi, and along this side what you have, E dot ds dot product maximum theta 0, dot product 0 theta 90, and this is flux, number of lines passing through the area. And you can explain in this way what I am going to tell you. This surface integral of electric field gives flux. Surface integral, this is surface, this is electric field, and integration आपने इसको इकट्ठा कर दिया, तो surface integral of electric field is called flux, means number of lines of forces crossing through the area. What is the unit of this? You know electric field की unit क्या है? Force by attached charge and न्यूटन पर कूलम, और इसकी क्या होगी? मीटर स्क्वायर. तो फ्लक्स की यूनिट क्या होगी? न्यूटन पर कूलम. दिस इज यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, एंड एरिया मीटर स्क्वायर. तो न्यूटन पर कूलम मीटर स्क्वायर, you can tell about this what I am talking, and this is all about electric flux. We are assuming another interesting thing here. This type of surface, like this, like this, like this, and this is the direction of electric field. This, 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 this is the direction of electric field. I am considering here, this is ds vector, and this is the direction of ds vector here at this point. This is the direction of ds vector, and at this point, this is the direction of ds vector. What about this? At this point, this is the direction of ds vector, and along this side you have electric field. Here electric field direction. This is angle theta. Here theta is 90 degree. This theta. Here theta is 0 degree. If your surface is this is ds. This is angle. This angle is greater than 90. Obtuse angle. This is dot product, and dot product you can say cos theta, and theta 0, maximum flux. Theta 90, flux is 0. Theta less than 90, flux is positive, because cos theta less than 90, then cos theta is positive. And in this case, theta greater than 90, what you have? Flux negative, because cos theta, if theta greater than 90, then this you can say negative. Flux is negative. This is all about flux. Thank you.